Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a recipe from HelloFresh, and this is crispy chickpea tacos. So I always show the recipe card real quick and then me unbagging all the ingredients just in case you've never tried HelloFresh so you can see how it comes. Every meal is in its individual bag, and they give you everything you need except for salt and pepper and olive oil. So the first thing it told me to do was to put the chickpeas on a sheet, put some olive oil, season them with salt and pepper, and I roasted in the oven for 20 minutes. They also included a spice blend, so I did put that on the chickpeas as well. And while that was cooking, I went ahead and diced up all the other ingredients. And when that came out, I added the onions and the peppers to that. I also added olive oil and seasoned with salt and pepper. And put those back in the oven for about 10 or 15 minutes. Just until they were roasted. And while those were cooking, I went ahead and made the avocado mixture. So I added some onions and lime juice. And I think it said to save some of the limes for serving the tacos, but I really like lime juice, so I added quite a bit of that to the mixture. And seasoned it with salt and pepper. And then I mixed that up. And I also added some green onions. And then the rest of the regular red onions and some lime juice. And I mixed that up and set it aside. And then I also took some lime zest, added sour cream, and added some salt to that, and some more lime juice. And then I mixed that up and set that aside as well. And then when the vegetables are done in the oven, all you have to do is assemble it. So I put a little bit of the avocado mixture on a tortilla, added some chickpeas and the roasted veggies. And then you can add some of the sour cream lime mixture. And that's all there is to it. This was super good. And I will link the full recipe below because they do have all the recipes on their website. Anyone could look at it. So I will have all the information in case you want to recreate these at home. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.